Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is 𝗥𝗘𝗠𝗢𝗡. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can remove a background from a picture, how you can automatically remove a background from a picture for free. Alright, so without wasting my time, let's dive into the process. We are going to use a web browser to do this, to use a Chrome. So let me launch my Chrome. So when you launch the Chrome, then you search for 𝗕𝗔𝗖𝗞𝗚𝗥𝗘.com. Alright, then you search for this one in your web browser. Okay. Alright, so this is the interface of the website. This is the interface of the website that we are going to use to remove the background for free. That we are going to remove the image from a background for free. Alright, so what we are going to do is to upload the image that you want to remove the background from our gallery. Is to upload the image from our gallery or photos or our file. Alright, so just click on upload image. So when we click on upload image, it's going to direct you to your file or your gallery. Alright, so I'll be using this one, this image. Alright, so what you do is just select the image. Just select the image. So when you click on it, you see it has been selected or highlighted. Alright, so the background after uploading this image on a 𝗕𝗔𝗖𝗞𝗚𝗥𝗢, is going to remove the background. It's going to remove the background from there. Alright, so what we are going to do next is to click on select. It's just to click on select. Alright, so when you click on select, now this is the original image. Let's see how the remove background is going to be. Let's see how the removed background is going to be. Alright, so now the background has been removed. Now the background has been removed. Now we are having an empty or transparent background. Now we are having a transparent background. Alright, so let's download this into our gallery. So just click on download. Just click on download. Alright, just click on download it to your gallery. Alright, so this is how we removed a picture from a background. How you remove a picture from a background. If you love this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing videos like this. Thank you very much.